What is good, YouTube? It's your boy AJ the Great, and welcome to a quick video. Well, I don't know if it's gonna be quick, but I'll tell you this. I tried to record TJOC, the Joy Creation. I'm not built for this. I'm not built for that shit. So we're playing Dark Deception. I feel like I can actually do that one, but I don't even want to do too much talking. Let's run from these monkeys. Let's get straight into it. Hey, look at Bitch though. She low key a baddie. Look at her. Hey, Bitch. Let's get started.
Clock's ticking.
Oh, I forgot you could talk to me. Hey, okay, hello. This is smooth though. Now, I seen Corey play this before, but I slick don't
What
remember.
a charming little hotel.
It is quite the charming hotel.
Bring back any memories?
Yep. Tup. You gotta tell me twice. Yeah. So. Why would I, as a black man, go that way? You know what? Whole fucking keyboard almost just flipped, bro. Like, my whole keyboard almost just flipped, bro.
Going up?
My whole keyboard almost just flipped. I've never been that fucking scared in my life just that quick, bro. No. Oh my gosh, bro, no. That ain't right, man. Okay.
Now listen closely. See those floating bits of crystal?
And those?
Those are soul shards.
Okay.
Fragments of human spirit scattered throughout the halls of this little maze.
All right.
Each crystal is a remnant of one who has met their end here.
Dang.
Gather them all, and the first ring piece will be yours. One more thing. You're not alone. There are monsters in here, and they're looking for you. Here, you'll need
Wait,
this.
what?
It can detect each shard's location. It was left by the last guest to disappoint me here. A very clever girl, just not a very fast runner. Enough instruction. Break those boards and let's get this party started.
I already don't fucking like that. I don't like the way she laughed, and it feels like she's trying to set me up. I'm scared, bro. All right, hold on. I don't even know what I'm finna be. It's finna be chasing me. Okay. It's not even that hard. You just walk around grabbing soul shards or some shit.
It helps if you don't let them stab you in the face.
You know what? Type shit, man. I hear him. I hear him. He's behind me. He behind me? He behind me? Oh my gosh, he's behind me? He behind me? He behind me? Oh my gosh, he's behind me. Oh my gosh, he's behind me. He's behind me? He's literally behind me? Oh my gosh, there's multiple of them. I'm dead.
You're making it pretty easy to root for the monkeys.
Why can I not see them on my map? How do I even, bro? It's like... How am I supposed to know? How am I supposed to know? It doesn't help with this loud music. I'm dead. I ain't even gonna lie, he literally almost got him.
It's here.
I don't know how I didn't die. Oh, bro, that should have been the catch. I ain't even gonna lie. I just got off on this dude. Okay. Okay, though. He's coming from the right. I got into the kitchen? Okay.
You are dead.
Why is it that hard? Okay. He's coming from my left. Yep. That's not. Bitch! Oh my gosh! That nigga opened the door on me. I'm not even running fast enough. Okay, yes. I fucking see him. Yes, bitch. Okay, I can see him. Nowhere near me. Okay. Loki got a bag. Okay. This is actually not that hard. Yep, we're not finna do that. Boy thought he had me, huh? Come on.
I would have thought you would.
Yep. Now I can see these niggas. It's all fun and games now. I hear him, but I can't see him anymore. Is that bad? A loop-de-loop. He's coming. I knew it. Okay. They're coming from like every freaking angle, bro. Nigga trying to tell me go back for that weak ass shard. I ain't trying to lose my life. Come on. Up. Up. Extra life. Okay. Okay. It's one of them. Literally just one. Nope. I can hear him. Come on. I'm making good progress. They lucky gaining on me, ain't gonna lie. Okay though, I'm low-key doing good. Oh fuck. Oh fuck, oh fuck.
Death by monkey? Oh dear, how embarrassing.
Low-key though, it was a good run. I just have to lock in. Like once I let the fear stop getting to me, I was good. I'm confident in myself now. Okay. They're coming from every angle, aren't they? They are coming from every angle. Oh my gosh. Bro, please, bro. Just leave me alone. Can I pick up my souls and get up out of here, bro? Doing work for beers, bro. I'm tired of picking. Yep. I'll never get a job off Craigslist again. Tuh. Never picking up a job off Craigslist again. Man, they was already tripping about the pay. I should have known something was up.
Death by monkey? Oh dear, how embarrassing.
Hey, Beers, shut your bitch ass up. Okay, type. I gotta get this little loot right here. Okay. I literally did a loop-de-loop, bro. Okay. Okay, more shards over that way. Nope, fuck not. Absolutely fucking not. Okay. It's all that and it's literally just 4. getting these two and I'm getting the fuck up out of here.
You've gathered all of the soul shards. The ring piece is now exposed, and the monsters will go into a frenzy. Get to the ring piece before Mr. Monkey finds you.
Hey, Mr. Monkey can suck up on my dick cause I don't give a fuck. Let me get up about it, bitch. Hey, the nigga almost had me. Said he almost had me. Break his ankles. Yeet. Yep, got him. Ankles on that boy. Ankles on that boy. Ankles on that boy. What the fuck? Mr. Monkey, please go.
It helps if you don't let them stab you in the face. You've gathered all of the soul shards.
Wow, they put me everywhere, but where the fuck?
Monsters will go into a frenzy.
Oh, Mr. Monkey, bro, please, bro. Bro, Mr. Monkey, please, bro. I want to be friends, man. Hey, okay, now I'm on my last life. That means I got like one fucking last try. But I ain't trying to die. I got stuck on the corner of the door. Okay, shit. I said, let me fucking cook. Running fast, little nigga, you know I book. Trying to get the fuck away. I ain't even gonna lie, these niggas monkeys. Wait. Ooh, you almost had me, ain't gonna lie. Okay. Hey, the monkeys. I said these monkeys. Watch, I'm finna run straight into that nigga. Oh my gosh. This is bad. Can I just get to the altar? Bitch. Fucking yeah.
Who dares?
Shoot, he knows you're here now. You need to escape. Get to the portal. Hurry!
Where's the portal? Where's the portal? Oh. What's up? The monkey is screaming crazy, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah.
Run! Run!
There's no escape for you, mortal.
Yeah, gang, you're not catching me. Okay. I'll take that. I will take that. A B is not bad. That's a bag. Okay.
Good. You made it.
Okay.
And I see you met my friend sooner than I was expecting.
That's facts.
Veers. Still so persistent after all this time. Do not This is your only warning. Help her and you will suffer.
Pay no attention to him. His powers cannot reach you here. The ring piece. Place it on the... The ring is called the Riddle of Heaven. An ironic name, don't you think? A demon's power is contained inside it. The creature of infinite cruelty that you just met. Malak. Complete the ring, and you can use Malak's power to fulfill your darkest desires. Or so the legend goes. more pieces to go. Are you ready for another nightmare?
Not gonna lie though, we might have to spin back and play number. We might have to play chapter 2. If y'all like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and let me know what else y'all want to see me play. I haven't played Forspoken in a while. I might play another video of that. Another video. Play another game. Do another video on that. But with that being said, your boy AJ is out.